Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use an overlay in PowerPoint to give your slides a more creative and professional look. Perfect for presentations at work, school, or even personal projects. If you want your slides to stand out and look truly polished, this simple technique can make a huge difference. Let's jump right in. Start by opening PowerPoint on your computer and navigating to the presentation you want to enhance. Once it's opened, choose the slide that contains a picture you'd like to modify. Click on that picture. You'll know it's selected when you see a border or small circles appear around it. Now, head up to the Picture Format tab at the top of the screen. This is where all your image tools live. Look for the crop option. Click on it, and from the drop-down, select Crop to Shape. This feature lets you transform your image into different shapes, which instantly gives your design a more dynamic and customized appearance. Pick the shape that best fits your slide's theme or mood. Next, let's create the actual overlay effect. Go to the Insert tab and click on Shapes. You'll see a variety of options here. Choose a shape that closely matches the one you use to crop your picture. When you insert it, you can resize and position it anywhere you like on your slide. Here's the key step. Right-click on that new shape and select Send to Back. This moves the shape behind your image, creating a layered, professional overlay effect. You can play around with the shape's color, transparency, or gradient to create the exact mood you're going for, whether that's soft and modern or bold and high contrast. Take a moment to fine-tune your slide. Adjust the size, alignment, and color balance until everything feels cohesive. You'll notice right away how much more creative and intentional your presentation looks. And that's it. You've just learned how to use overlays in PowerPoint to transform an ordinary slide into something that looks clean, stylish, and presentation ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint design tips and creative presentation hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.